Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Health Channel. If you're managing diabetes, you might think you need to be super restrictive with your diet, especially when it comes to meat. But guess what? That's not entirely true. Choosing the right kinds of meat can be a fantastic way to get essential protein and nutrients without spiking your blood sugar. Today, we're diving into 7 must-try meats that are great for a diabetes-friendly diet. This is all about smart eating, not about giving up the foods you love. So, let's get started on this guide to delicious and healthy choices. First up on our list is a true superstar, skinless chicken breast. I know it sounds simple, but its power shouldn't be underestimated. Chicken breast is incredibly lean, meaning it's low in fat, especially saturated fat, which is great for heart health, something that's extra important when you're managing diabetes. It's packed with high-quality protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating and helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Plus, it's so versatile. You can grill it, bake it, poach it, or shred it into salads. A simple grilled chicken breast with some herbs and spices is a quick, easy, and delicious meal that fits perfectly into your eating plan. Next, let's talk about turkey, specifically turkey breast. Just like its poultry cousin, turkey breast is another lean protein powerhouse. It's low in calories and fat, but high in protein, which is the perfect combination for blood sugar management. Protein slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, which helps prevent those sharp spikes and crashes. Turkey is also a great source of B vitamins, like niacin and B6, which are crucial for energy metabolism. Think beyond the holiday roast. Sliced turkey breast makes for a great sandwich on whole wheat bread. Or you can use ground turkey as a leaner alternative to ground beef in your favorite recipes, like chili or pasta sauce. Moving on to our third meat, let's dive into the ocean for some fatty fish. I'm talking about salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Now, you might hear fatty and think it's a bad thing, but these fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly beneficial. These healthy fats are famous for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in improving heart health by lowering triglycerides. For people with diabetes who are at a higher risk for heart disease, incorporating these fish into your diet 2 to 3 times a week is a brilliant move. A baked salmon fillet with a squeeze of lemon and some dill is not only elegant and tasty, but also a huge favor to your body. Okay, let's bring it back to the land with our fourth choice, pork tenderloin. Often overlooked, pork tenderloin is one of the leanest cuts of pork available. It's just as lean as a skinless chicken breast. This means you get all the savory flavor of pork without the excess saturated fat you might find in other cuts like bacon or ribs. It's an excellent source of protein, thiamine, and other essential nutrients. The key is in the preparation. Roasting or grilling a whole pork tenderloin with a simple rub of spices brings out its natural flavor beautifully. Slice it thin for a satisfying and blood sugar-friendly main course. It proves you don't have to sacrifice flavor for health. For our fifth must-try meat, we're looking at lean cuts of beef. Yes, you can enjoy red meat. The secret is choosing the right cuts. Look for options with loin or round in the name, like sirloin, tenderloin, or eye of round roast. These are much leaner than cuts like ribeye. Also, opt for grass-fed beef when possible, as it often has a better fat profile, including more omega-3 south. A small portion-controlled sirloin steak, trimmed of all visible fat and grilled or broiled, can be a delicious and iron-rich part of a balanced diet. Remember, moderation is key. A 3 to 4 ounce serving is plenty to satisfy that craving while keeping your health goals in check. Number 6 on our list might surprise you: bison. Also known as buffalo, bison meat is a fantastic alternative to beef. It has a rich, slightly sweet flavor, but is significantly leaner. Compared to beef, bison has fewer calories, less fat, and more protein per serving. It's also a great source of iron and vitamin B12 because it's so lean. You have to be careful not to overcook it, as it can dry out quickly. Bison burgers on a whole wheat bun or bison meatballs in a veggie-packed sauce are delicious ways to try this nutritious red meat. It's a great way to switch things up and add some variety to your meal plan. Finally, our seventh must-try meat is cod. This mild white fish is a fantastic lean protein choice. It's incredibly low in fat and calories, but still provides a good amount of protein to keep you full. While it doesn't have the high omega-3 content of salmon, it's still a very healthy option, especially if you're not a fan of stronger-tasting fish. Cod is wonderfully versatile and flaky. You can bake it, broil it, or steam it. A classic baked cod with lemon, garlic, and herbs served with a side of steamed green beans and a small portion of quinoa makes for a perfectly balanced, diabetes-friendly dinner. It's simple, light, and very good for you. So there you have it, 7 delicious and healthy meats that can be a regular part of a diabetes-friendly diet. Remember, the keys are choosing lean cuts, practicing portion control, and using healthy cooking methods like grilling, baking, or broiling instead of frying. Managing diabetes is about making smart, sustainable choices that you can enjoy for the long haul. It's not about deprivation, but about empowerment and finding what works for your body. Always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a meal plan that's tailored specifically to your needs. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this guide helps you feel more confident and excited about your food choices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite diabetes-friendly meals? Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.